Good evening, grade one. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine today. We are going to we are going to learn about some email rules. We are in week 9, the date is 14th of March 2021. We'll take unit number 4, the last unit lesson number 4 from page number 62 to 63. Our objectives that what you will going to learn today, that what are the email rules and how you can keep yourself safe. So first thing, I want everyone to listen to your teacher properly. So at the end of the session, I will ask you the questions related to today's lesson. Today's lesson is very easy. You guys can understand it easily. So I want everyone stay on your place and focus. So we are going to learn actually about email. Is there anybody who can tell me what is email? What is email? What can we do with the email? Who can answer me this question? What can we do with the email? Or what is an email actually? If we say what is an email, so who can tell me that email is what? Is it a game or is it some message or is it some video or what is email actually? So let me ask from grade 2. I'm going to choose some student. Mahmoud Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Mahmoud Muhammad.
Yes.
Hello, Mahmoud.
And
Can you hear me?
what is email? An electronic
No,
message.
I don't want you to read. I don't want you. Mahmoud, wait. I don't want you to read. I want you to, from your mind, tell me what is email. What we
Is
do
a
from
message
email. We play game.
from
What? Sorry?
what to another one. Message.
Message. Yes, your voice is lagging. I understand a little bit. So, email is actually what it is, an electronic message. Very good. Very
Also
good. Mahmoud
message.
Muhammad. Bravo. Good. Now, who can answer me? Who can tell me that we can send email to how many people or to which person can we send the email? Is there some specific person or we can send it to everyone? Okay, Amira Ismail.
Yes, teacher.
Hi, Amira. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, Amira, can you tell me to which person can we send the email? Can we send it to everyone or just some people?
Everyone.
Everyone. Very good. So, Amira, do you have your email account?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Amira, thank you. Mute yourself. So, if we see from here, I want someone to help me in reading, to read this sentence. What is email? So, let's see. Taline.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Taline. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too, Taline. Can you read it for me? What is an email?
Okay, what is email? In e- electronic
Electronic.
electronic message message
Mess.
message sent from one turn to another another
Another. Very good, Taline.
another
Another. Okay,
teacher.
very good. Okay, just one sentence. So, what is email? Email is an electronic message sent from one computer to another. It's mean I can send it from my computer to your computer. It is a message for many people, not just for one. So we can send it from one computer to another computer easily. So who can read the next sentence for me? Raise your hand so I'll choose who can read the next sentence for me. Sham?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Sham. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, can you read it?
Email saves money and time
Compared.
compared to regular mail.
Regular mail. Very good. You can mute yourself. Email do what? It save your time. For example, if you want to send a message to other person, you don't need to pay anything. It is for free, yeah? So it saves your time as compared to the other mail system. So the last sentence, Yusuf Amro.
Teacher,
Yes, Yusuf.
I have my own email.
Wow, that's very good, Yusuf. Can you read the last sentence?
And on email, message, text,
Okay, Yusuf, your voice is lagging a lot. I can't hear you properly. An email
seconds
message
to
takes seconds to
reach
reach destination. Okay. Your voice is not clear, Yusuf, but okay, no problem. I understand a bit. Here it says that an email
wait.
message takes seconds to reach destination.
Email
From
message text distance.
mm, yeah, okay. So from one place to another place, when you want to send the message, it take less than a minute to deliver
I
the
read
message.
that. I read this.
Okay, very good, very good. So mute yourself now. Okay, so what
Yes.
email can do now? Email send message from one computer to another. Second thing, email saves the money. And third thing, that email send the message within a second. Within a second means very fast, within very fast seconds, okay? You don't need more time to send message from one computer, one person to another person, okay? So this is the first thing, that what is email. Now, what if we want to save the email? What if there is a problem and we are using email, but we don't know what is the safety rules of email. So we're going to learn about the safety rules of email. The first thing that you always need to keep in your mind, I want everyone to memorize this thing. So I'll ask you, okay, that email should be short. Don't write a long stories, because it is very boring if you write the long stories, long paragraphs. So you have to write short stories, or short paragraphs, or short message. Second thing, reply to all. Reply to all the person who you know. It doesn't mean that you have to reply to everybody. No, you have to reply to the person only you know, or to the person you trust. If you reply to everyone, it is not safe, because we don't know everybody. So reply only to the person who you know, or who you trust. You can trust the person, you can only reply to that person. Clear? The third thing, the subject should be descriptive. That it means the subject of an email describe its content and attachment. Like when you want to send the email, you must write some subject. You must put the subject, so we must know that the email belongs to what. This email is about what, or what are you talking in this email. If you don't write the subject, then how can we know that the email is about what? For example, you send the document to your teacher, or you send some text to the teacher, but the teacher don't know until she read it. So if you put the subject as maybe week 8 homework, so I can understand it. Yeah, this is Yusuf Muhammad's homework, or this is Muhib Shadid's homework. But if you just send me email without the subject, It's hard for me to understand it. Then searchable email. Searchable means what? How you will be able to find this email after a month. For example, you sent me the email now and I want to check it next month. To think about which keyword you would search and include them. Put some keyword, maybe the keyword your name. So if I want to know that where is homework for Samia, I don't need to ask Samia to send me email again. I can search her email by just writing the name Samia on the search bar. The last thing is keep it organized. If there is already a related email, reply to all. It has a difficult subject, create a new one. If you feel the subject is difficult, not easy to understand, you need to create a new one. These are the rules to send the email messages. Whenever you want to send the email messages, your email address must be correct. Then second thing, you must add subject and you must add the correct information. The spellings of the email must be correct. So let's suppose there is an email. I will write it for you, okay? And let's see who can tell me which email is correct, okay? I want everyone focused so you guys can easily understand what I'm writing here. Here, email number 1. This is email number 1. That is email number 2. And here is email number 3. So who can tell me from this 3 which email is correct? Either the email number 1, email number 2, or email number 3. So you guys need to see and then you guys need to tell me that which one is correct here, okay? Number 1, number 2, or number 3. And let's see who can guess correctly. And then you have to tell me the reason why. Okay, so let's see who can tell me the correct email. Ibrahim Muhammad.
Hello, teacher.
Ibrahim. Hello, how are you?
Why?
Okay, Ibrahim, can you see these 3 emails and tell me which email is correct in a correct format?
Number 2.
Is it number 1, 2,
Number
or
2.
3?
Number 2.
Number 2, very good. Very good. Why? Because the .com should be at the end. And at should be the domain, before the domain. So very good, Ibrahim. I want everyone clap for Ibrahim. Okay, now who can tell me in email number 2, where is the username? Is it the username Anam Nawaz, or is it at, or is it Yahoo, or is it .com? What is username here? So, Samia? Hi, Samia.
Yes.
Samia, can you tell me which one is a username here? Is it Anam Nawaz at Yahoo or .com? Where is username here?
Yahoo at.
Yeah, it's Yahoo at is a username?
No, Gmail.
No, I'm asking the username. Where is the username here?
Number 2.
Yes, Anam is a username. Anam Nawaz, this is the username. Very good, very good. So bravo, Samia, you can mute yourself. So I hope you guys understand the lesson now. Our lesson today is the rules to write the email.